Hi, this is Mark Dulisse, and you're going to be glad that you're watching this video. It's amazing how images get so much viral traffic, not only on Facebook, but on Twitter and Pinterest as well. This picture here says, "Share this goat for no reason," and it's amazing. It got 1,300 likes, it got over 1,100 shares, got 41 comments, and so talk about traffic and viral image spreading on social networks. And so this works. If you visit Twitter, Facebook, and Pinterest, you'll see that you can add your links and descriptions in here, and people click on your channel or your Facebook profile and subscribe and all kinds of neat stuff. So viral images is very powerful for viral marketing and getting more traffic to your offers, to your business, to your branding. It can be silly stuff like this, but it could also be more serious stuff, like, let me just bring up an image that I captured here, like this here. Here's one here. It says, back in the day, this was called daydreaming. Today it's called ADHD. And obviously there's a story here with a link to a video, which is very powerful. And you'll see donations being offered here. You'll see a lot of different types of marketing and branding being offered with images, with text. And you see this a lot across the internet. Now what I've done is I have created a software, and it's called Traffic Mimi, and I am giving this away to you. That's right, free, 100% free. All you need to do is click the download button, and it is a direct download. In this video, I'm going to be showing you what it is, how to install it, and how to quickly use it for traffic and for viral traffic back to your websites. Okay, so what is Traffic Mimi? It's a desktop software, and there is both a PC version and a Mac version. And so once again, this is free, okay? Free to you. Spell that correctly. And so what it does, it finds searchable images with a built-in search function, or you can upload your own images. And just keep in mind here, this is a $97 value. That's right. There are other softwares on the marketplace today that does the exact same thing as this, that sells for $97. And this is just as powerful, has just as many features. It actually has more features than what's out there. And you're getting it for free to you right now. You can then add text. You can edit the text. You can change the font style. You can change the color. You can change the size of the font and the size of the text and so forth. You can move the text around. You can add to it a famous quote with a built-in page that finds thousands and thousands of famous quotes for you. And this is all built into the software. From there, you take this image that has text on it, and you can automatically post it on social sharing sites. And I have included these sites right here. I've included Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest, those three, okay? And what's really cool about this is that you can add your website links and descriptions for SEO and click-through traffic, which is very, very important, okay? So let's get into the software, and I will show you exactly how it works. Okay, so this is my desktop here, and I'm going to go into my start menu, and I'm going to bring up Traffic Meme, and you'll see that it's going to launch here. And I'm already logged into Pinterest and Facebook and Twitter, and so when you first start the program, you won't see this. You only see this after you have linked your accounts up. But what you will see when you first install it for the very first time, you'll see this activation screen. Now what I've done, I have unlocked this. Right now it says purchase email. That's because I was going to sell this, but I decided not to sell it, and so I have unlocked the activation key. And so all you need to do, you need to enter your name. When you put in a valid email, the activation code is going to be sent to that email address. I'll show you what I mean. So I'll use this one here, for example, and I'll click on send key. And it says verification key has been sent. Please check your email. And just keep in mind, this can take a few minutes for it to hit your inbox. So you need to be patient. It can take 5 minutes, but it'll be sent to your inbox. You need to open up your inbox, and you'll see a subject that says Traffic Mimi activation confirmation required. You need to click on this, and you need to confirm this link here. Once you confirm this link here that says thank you for registering, your key is on its way, check your inbox in 5 minutes. And there's also a really good special here that I put. You want to take a look at that. So you want to go back to your email account. It says verification key for Traffic Mimi, and you click on that, and here's the key right here. Okay, so you take this key and you can right click it, and I'll put this key in right there and click on activate. It says your product is activated successfully. Right there. So now I'm activated. Now once it's activated, you'll see the interface here. It says default Facebook account, Mark Dulisse, default Twitter account. Now I've already set these up with my accounts. What you need to do, you need to go to each of them, and you can set up multiple accounts, by the way, and click on the Facebook icon here and set up your Facebook. Click on the Twitter and set up your Twitter account, and it'll ask you to get a PIN code. And once you do that, and you take your PIN code and put it in here and verify, and then you need to set up your Pinterest account, your email, your password, and confirm your password and add it. And you can set up multiple accounts. Once you have set it up, you can set which account you want to have as your default. You can go to image search. So what we have done, we have added a search feature where you can search for images, or you can go to this section here and you can actually upload your own image. Select image file. Click on that and you can upload your own image to be inside the editor here. Or you can do image search. For example, cute puppies. And I can search Google, or I can search Flickr. And if you're going to search Google, you need to put the number of images because it'll give you thousands. Copyright issues is your responsibility. It's not my responsibility. I simply give you the tool. I've done my best to filter out any images that you are not able to use for copyright reasons. So if I click on submit, you'll see it says no hot linking, and so forth. So you're not able to use those. But again, any copyright issues is your responsibility. So for example, if I were to take this one here, I can just click on the edit button, or I can come back here and I can pin it or Facebook or tweet it right here without any text. But if I want text on it, I click on the edit button, and all I need to do is add text. I click on this text image, says type text image, and I click and I drag it over. It'll say the word type. I click in here and boxes come up, and I can stretch this out, and I can come here and I can change the font size up here, make it bigger, and you'll see here the screen needs to be bigger here so I can see the whole software here. And I can change the color of the font right there. I can change the font style to anything that I want, all right, and so forth. I can change the canvas background, which is this right here, to anything that I want. I can change the height and the width of the image and so forth. Here is the image editor. If I click on here, you'll see that there's different colors that I can pick. So let's just stay with this one here. If I click on that, you can see it adds a nice effect to it. See that? Isn't that cool? And it's also, there's different saturations. There's contrast. See that? So all these things work here, all right? There's contrast, there's brightness. So again, these are more filters, and there's some nice saturation. There's a hue, and so if I click on the hue, you see that, and so forth, all right? There's threshold. So I want to use threshold, click on that, and do all kinds of weird stuff with that, all right? So that's a cool feature there too. From there, all you need to do is, this is so adorable. And I'll just make this a little bit bigger, like that. Stretch it out. There you go. And click on the center button here, and I'll put that right there. Or maybe down on the bottom. And if I want to have some more text, I just click on the text image and bring it over here and drag it like that. Maybe make it a little bit bigger. And I'll change this font size. And maybe change the font style. Maybe white. Okay. 4 Ladies of Joy. There you go. Something like that. I love dogs, don't you? Especially puppies. They're so cute. And all right. 4 Buddies of Joy. All right. Now I can sit here and I can post this right to Twitter right now. I can click on the Twitter button, and when I do that, I can post an image, and I can put, "This is so cute." And I can put my link. Again, if you're doing something more viral, you certainly want to put a stronger, you want to put hashtags. You want to have keywords in the description, etc. All right. So this is just an illustration. And from there, I can click on tweet. So if I visit my Twitter account, it's going to show that media file has been uploaded successfully. I can do the same thing to Pinterest and Facebook. The Pinterest is right here. This works a little bit different. To go to Pinterest, you first must save the image first. So you must save it. You must save the file as puppies, and save it as for example, JPEG. All right, I will save it, and then you pin it. All right, so and you can embed the URL. So put your URL there. And here you put your hashtags, keywords, URL again, description. That's there. This is an illustration, and you need to select your board. And let me just put it here for now and upload to Pinterest. Okay, and that'll be successfully done to Pinterest. And what I'm going to do now, I'm going to get a quote from a famous person. And I click on quotes, brainy quotes, and you'll see a window pops open right here. And I can stretch this open a little bit. And it says search by topic or search by author. So if I click on search by author, it's got all the different authors. Now these are like thousands and thousands of different quotes. Okay, I mean there's a lot. I mean, you know, Helen Keller usually got some good quotes. And I can take what I've done. I've coded it. So all you need to do is click once. It says quote is copied to your clipboard. Now add the text selected from tools. So it's already been copied to the clipboard, and so I need to drag this here, and I need to stretch it out wide, make it big, and I simply right click and paste. All right, you'll see the Helen Keller, and so let me just make it a little bit more, and all the quote is right there. Now it's black, so I need to change the color. So let me just change it to, there we go. So that's the quote from Helen Keller. You can change the font size, the font style, and whatever you need to do here. Let me change the font style, make it a little bit better. Neat, kind of neat style there. You want to make it very, very readable. So that's probably not a very good font style, but you can see this is how it works. This is how easy it is, and you can move this thing around and so forth. All right. And so once you're done, you got your quote, and you simply just post it to Facebook, Pinterest, or Twitter, and it's that easy. And so you got, you know, hundreds of thousands probably of different quotes searched by author, and it's one click copy to the clipboard and paste it, and you're done. All right. But let me show you my Facebook page and so forth. Here's my Facebook page, and you can see here's a picture there, 4 buddies of joy, and you know, this is adorable. I could have put subscribe to Mark Dulisse and so forth, and there it is right there. In fact, look at this. It's already got 2 likes on it, and I just posted it just seconds ago. Here's my Pinterest account right here, and you can see here I put it in the getting started folder, and you can see the image right here. So if I click on there, and this is it right here. So if I click on that image, and you can see here, there's the, you know, you put your hashtags, your keywords, and so forth. But if I click on this, and it says sent from markdulisse.com, there's my link for some link juice and traffic. Very, very powerful. See that? And so, anyway, you know, Pinterest, the images are clickable on Pinterest, which makes it very powerful. Once again, here's my Twitter account, and you can see here that what I just uploaded there. You know, you want to put in your hashtags, keywords, and this is so cute, my URL, and there's the image right here. Okay, and there's the image there. So again, this is Mark Dulisse signing off, and this is free to you. All you need to download it. It works on Mac and PC versions available. This is Mark Dulisse. Thank you for being my customer. Thank you for being my subscriber. 100% free gift to you, and thank you for your business.